Alright guys, hope you're doing well. So let me give you a quick recap and I will explain what is this arrow and why I took the trade. Today, this very disappointing day for me. Why? Because this sell I should have to trail SL at break even after hitting this NWOG. I ignored this NWOG and after that I realized that price respecting this NWOG and then I took a buy entry. So let me delete this all thing so you will understand clearly what was the bias. So when you check the daily time frame, here you can see this is the daily time frame. When you check the left hand side, here you can see here we have this inverse fair value gap, right? So price maybe respect this fair value gap and start pushing down because the previous candle close sweep the previous candle high and it closed bearish, right? And when I check the 1 hour time frame, on 1 hour time frame, price start pushing upside. Price start pushing upside. Let me price start pushing upside and sweep this high, right? And then start going down and inverse this fair value gap. Also, we have this NDOG on the left hand side. So there's a possibility that price will hit this NDOG. Now, on the lower time frame, on the 5 minute time frame, here we have this 5 minute fair value gap. So what I did when I saw on 9:30 I'm getting okay. Here you can see price creating this trend line liquidity, and here we have this sell side liquidity. Your price should have to respect this NDOG. So I was expecting that price should reverse from this 5 minute fair value gap. Then I will go for sell opportunity. And the same thing price did. Now here you can see here we have this opening and I didn't took entry here on this candle because you can see price impulse, right, close below this low, but I want this candle to close sustain below this candle low because when you check the 2 minute time frame, here you can see on 2 minute price sweep this equal low and start pushing upside. So I really want price to give me confirmation for the sell side. And the next candle start pushing up. And when you check the 2 minute time frame, 2 minute also create a wick and start creating a body. And 3 minute also start creating a wick and start going down. Then I executed my sell position here somewhere and my stop loss above this candle high. And just because of I don't get enough risk reward, right? And that's why I look on the left hand side. Here we have this H1 FVG, right? So I knew that price to start reversing from this NWG, and that's why I was thinking that I will trail my SL at break even as price give me any new structure. So here you can see price went down. Now I marked this low and I was thinking if price break this low, then I will trail my SL at break even. Now here you can see price start going down but didn't break this low because price already retested this NDOG. I really want price to respect at least 50% of this NDOG, right? At least 50% of this NDOG. Then I would consider that this NDOG got respected. You can see this NDOG. Now price didn't respect this low and then start pushing up. So I got stopped out and I was thinking maybe I will set SL here, then I will hold this position because I really want price to go down. Now after this SL, what I thought that price keep respecting this 5 minute fair value gap, right? Also when you saw this yes, here we have this fair value gap. Price went up, okay, and then start going down. Price creating this inverse this fair value gap, inverse here you can see this fair value gap and break this low. Then I was waiting for more opportunity, and here you can see again price inverse this fair value gap, inverse this fair value gap. So and also when you check this rectangle here, this is the NDOG of look at this. This is the NDOG, right? So as thinking price just keep respecting this NDOG. So maybe price want to go down till this uh, H1FVG, and that's why I took a sell here. And this sell, I should not have to take this sell, right? I really don't need to take this sell. My target is 1:1 hour because here's the my mistake. Price already retested this 50% of this NDOG, right? When you check this, here price already respected this. Look at this, 50% of this NWOG. So price don't have any business for the downside. Yes, we have this H1 uh, candle, so maybe price will start pushing down. But when you check the 1 hour time frame, I ignored this part. 1 hour time frame, you can see this candle sweep the previous candle low, react from this NDOG, also created a range for the upside. Uh, yes, here you can see. Here price activated the range for the upside. So I ignored this part and I executed this sell, hoping this price will hit this 1:1 hour, but unfortunately price hit my SL. As price hit my SL, now I really confident that the way this 15-minute candle rejected from the downside, there's no 15-minute candle closing below the previous 15-minute candle low. Also, when you check the 30-minute candle, there's no 30-minute candle closing below the 30-minute candle low. So there is high probability that price will push up. Also, there's a range get activated for the upside. This is the H1 candle high range. So also when you check the 1 minute time frame, here we have this equal high, so there's a high probability that price will push up at least. Also, we have this equal high at least till this H1 high liquidity. Also, this equal high. So as I saw the candle here, okay, I waited here because we have this FVG. Why I keep respecting this FVG? Respecting this FVG. Why? Because this is the 930 to 940. This FEG created in 930 to 940. So these type of FEG always give you high uh, confidence to go for buy or sell entry. And now here you can see price break this high, break this high. We got CISD for the upside, right? So as we got CISD of the end, then price came back, respect this fair value gap, right, on the 2 minute time frame, right, 2 minute time frame fair value gap. So I was very confident that price will push on. That's why I executed on this candle, right, and my stop loss below this candle. You don't need to set a stop loss below this wick low because this was very obvious. Price already ranged that much, so it should have to push up. My target was this equal high. I executed here somewhere, I think. Yes. And then you can see price went up to here. So on this two position, -1 hour, -1 hour, and here when I was very confident on this trade, right? I increased my risk here on this trade. First position here, as the new candle create, we can start creating a body. This creating a wick, start creating a body, and when I saw price keep respecting this fair value gap, right, then I executed my next position here and my stop loss below this candle, and I booked my first position on this equal high, and the second position I trail my SL below this M1 candle low. So yeah, that's it for today. Happy Monday. I still in a profit for today. So yeah, I'm happy with the gain. What was the my mistake? My mistake, I should have to keep my eyes on this NWOG, right? And I should have to trail SL at break even as price respected this NDOG, as price react from this NDOG, right? I should have to trail my SL at break even. Price give me chance, but yeah, I was waiting for price to break this low, then I will trail my SL, but unfortunately, price hit my SL, and this trade was very let's say stupid trade. I should not have to take this trade. If price respect and it close below this NWOG, or this fair value gap, then maybe I should have to go for a sell, but there's no need to take this trade. So that's it for today. See you tomorrow. Bye bye.